for to check out. 1988 GMC Sierra SLE package. 1500, so half ton. Summit white, blue cloth interior. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. SLE be nicely equipped. We'll get around to the driver's side door and check out the interior here in a bit. Start it up, let's hear it run, check out the engine bay, but first let's check out the grille. Chrome bumper. Headlight surrounds, has the bug shield added. Paint shows well in this truck. This truck actually clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, Southern truck, came out of Tennessee, same family owned since new. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior underside, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, it's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. So you take a look down the passenger side, nice and straight, riding on Michelin radials. Still has the stock GMC 4x4 wheels. And take a look around the wheel wells. No bubbling, no rusting. This is actually the protective coating that would have came from GM back in '88. Just discolored on there a little bit, but it beats the rock chips and the rust that will start. Weston Nerf bars on it. Come back, look at the cab corners. Those are original, not rusted out. You can definitely tell this is a Southern truck. Coming back to the rear wheel wells, and how nice they look. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Tough liner bed liner. It's been installed in it, and as you can see, also has the bed rails. Tailgate protector on the top here. And here is where it would have been sold new in Tennessee, Lebanon, Tennessee. Cunningham GM store. Take a look at the rear bumper. How many times do you see these banged up? Chrome peeling. Not on this one. Also in good shape. Once again, still pictures. You'll be able to see this vehicle every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. And again, look at the usual places where you're going to see rust, bubbling. And not present on this truck. Back to the cab corner. All original. And not full of nicks, dings, or scratches either. You look up and down the sides of that. Come around to the front. Again, protective coating, just as showing its age, but again, better than the rock chips, nicks. That rust is going to start. And again, paint shows well. Let's take a look at the interior. This car has about 66,000, I believe it was, 60 or 66, 60,721. So there, let me confirm your miles, and those are original. That is confirmed by the Carfax. Take a look at the dash. Not cracked. Defroster vents not broken. Door panels. Of course, power windows, power locks. SLE is going to be a nicely equipped truck. And then take a look at the fabric. This is still original fabric. Would have came with this truck. Now, when I get on top of it, you're going to notice it washes it out a little bit. There is the true color, kind of a medium blue. If I get right up on top of it, it does wash it out. Certain colors in the videos and the pictures are going to do that. Of course, this truck is equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Did notice a headliner does sag a couple little spots here, just to let you know. It's not a real tough fix. I want to make you aware of it. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 60,721 for miles. Put the wipers on for you. Those do work with the AM/FM cassette. Alright, I'm going to pause. Well, let's slip around to the back first of all. I want you to hear this run. Then I'll pause it and we'll get that hood open. What you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, major modifications, anything like that. Alright, let me pause this a second. Like I said, let's get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. Another indication of a Southern truck. Look at that hood liner. How clean that is. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather, such as snow, salt on the road. Gets in that hood liner, stains it, basically turns it white. And then look at how clean, tidy this engine bay is. Again, 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes. AC does blow cold, by the way. I don't believe I mentioned that earlier. And here's it has been converted. And yes, it has 134A refrigerant. So that has been converted. I'm assuming coming from Tennessee, they wanted the AC blowing cold, newer alternator. But wow, tell this is well taken care of truck. Runs good, sounds good, looks good underneath there. One other thing I forgot to mention, I wanted to tell you, radio is functioning fine on this.
And new eyewear. Schedule your exam at shopco.com.
So radio does work also. Like I mentioned earlier, power windows, power locks. There you have it. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE trim package 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, slightly over 60,000 miles on it. Miles are confirmed by the Carfax. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.